This video we are going to discuss about EC2. EC2 is one of the most used service in AWS. So what is meant by EC2? EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. So in corporate data centers, the applications are deployed in physical servers. So so they deploy their applications in physical servers. But where do we deploy our applications in the cloud? So in cloud, we deploy the applications in virtual servers. We rent virtual servers in AWS. So EC2 instance is nothing but the virtual servers in AWS. What is meant by EC2 service? It is nothing but provision EC2 instant or virtual servers. EC2 service is nothing but the virtual servers in AWS. So what are the features of EC2? So we can create and manage lifecycle of EC2 instance. What is meant by manage lifecycle? It is nothing but we can start, stop, or terminate the EC2 instances. Attach storage and network storage to your EC2 instances. So we can attach storage like hard disk, SSD to our EC2 instances, like we attach our hard disk and SSDs to our physical servers. So we can manage network connectivity for an EC2 instance. We need network connectivity because we need to talk with a database. So load balancing and auto scaling for multiple EC2 instances. So we will discuss about load balancing and auto scaling in further videos. But auto scaling is nothing but we can increase or decrease the EC2 instance depending upon the traffic. So these are the features of EC2. So let's create a few EC2 instances in AWS. Now also we can use EC2 instance to connect to the SSHs into EC2 instances. So now let's create a few EC2 instances.